Hello guys, this is Lisa Aigbe. In this tutorial, we will be making this beautiful bubu gown. I use 3 colors of fabric for this, and the name of the fabric I use is called crepe fabric. And I cut this fabric 28 inches by 32 inches. Then I joined it together to form one full fabric. Watch this video to the end so you can make your bubu perfectly. I will be using these 3 fabrics for this bubu. 28 inches by 32 inches. That's the length, and this is the width. I cut 3 of this color. Then I cut 3 of this color. Then I cut 2 of this color. Then I will show you how to put it together. So I will take it to the machine and I will join it together like this. The measurement now is 67 inches by 59 inches. So I made 2 of this. You see? I will take it to the machine and I will join this way to this way and the other way to the other way. After sewing the 2 fabric together, I will fold it. Then I will measure the neck 3 inches. You see, I saw this line, so it should start from this sewn line. 3 inches. 1 inch depth. Then I'll connect it together. Then I will notch this place. Then I will cut only this place. You see the other one, I notched it. I have not cut it. I'll cut only this. So this place I notched, then I will now mark 7 inches. Here. Then I'll take it like this, you see. So this place I notched. Then I'll cut it. This is how I cut the bias for the neck. Fold my fabric like this. Then I'll raise this place and put it here like this. I'll make sure this folded fabric is in the sewn line. In the sewn line in this place, like so. Then I'll pin it down. Then I'll now cut this place. So I'll now measure here 2 inches. 2 inches. Then I'll measure 2 inches around. Then I'll put it under here like this. Just as I did the back, I'll pin it down in the sewn line here. You see? And I'll just mark it Then I'll now mark from here to here 2 inches, just as I did in the back neck. You see, this is the front bias, this is the back bias. Then I will sew it together like this to turn the neck. After cutting the neck, then I will open it like this. I will open it, you see. I open it like this, you see the neck. This is my center front. I turned it after cutting it. So now I will measure the measurement I want the down to be. You take your hip measurement, you add 2 for ease, then you add 1 for seam allowance, then you divide the number by 4. My hip measurement is 39 inches. I will add 2 for ease, that is 41 inches. Then I will add 1 for seam allowance, that is 42 inches. Then 42 inches divided by 4 is 10.5. 10.5 inches. That is my measurement. Then I'll put my ruler in this line. Then I'll mark it. Then I will take it to the machine. I will sew this side, I will sew hole. Then I will sew this side, I will sew hole. Then I will measure from here to here 7 inches. I'll mark it. Then I will measure from here to here 7 inches. Then I'll mark it. Then I will sew this place to this place. Then I will sew this place to this place. I will leave this place open. So after joining it together, we'll measure here 22 inches. I'll mark it. Then what I will do here now is I will start to take it like this. You see? You see this neck I cut before? Let me show you how it is. You see the neck? I joined it together, the back neck and the front neck. So I will sew the neck here, front facing front. I'll pin it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew it around. You see this opening, this hand opening, I've already serged it around. I'll fold it in, then I will sew it. This is the armhole. I will sew it. Then this down I cut tail, I will sew it.